Welcome to my one-on-one coaching program on business excellence. Now, before I start and explaining about the content and benefits of this program, I would like to tell you that this is not a typical online program where you enroll and you will be flooded with lots of videos, online videos. No, because I personally feel for each and every organization, for each and every individual, there are different kind of challenges. So this is purely going to be a one-on-one coaching program, and the details would be known to you a little later. So before I start, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Praveen Shrivastava, founder and CEO of PNP Consultants, having corporate experience of more than 2 decades, and I am also recipient of Philip Kotler Excellence Award in the area of consulting and training. Now let's understand what is business excellence all about. Business excellence is about developing and strengthening the management system and processes of an organization to improve performance. Business excellence is about achieving excellence in everything that an organization does. That is leadership, strategy, customer focus, information management, people, human resources, processes, operational efficiency, and most importantly, achieving superior business results. Excellence is becoming a significant advantage and performance differentiator for both public limited company and private limited companies. It helps business to win clients in an extremely competitive environment, which is nowadays, and it facilitates costs. So let us understand what are the challenges faced by managers. I think the first challenge is understanding how leadership impact on the overall quality of the organization. Understanding how your people impact on the quality of your goods and product, and create policies and strategies that will impact on the quality of business, how business works. And above all, it is an understanding of the organization vision, mission, objective, and how these can be improved organizational performance, how they are in line with the top management, middle management, and the down the line people, how it has been communicated, and the understanding of how your products affect the organizational performance. That is we are also going to talk about BCG matrix. Understanding how a strategic partnership can impact your organization. Also, we'll try to understand how resources can impact on the organization. How your organization improve business performance through various kind of partnership, association with your supplier, with your customer, and everybody, including in the value chain of supply chain. And above all, utilizing the pestle analysis, that is the economic, political, environmental scanning, and how it is going to impact on your future business. So friends, what are the benefits of this program? I think one of the benefit of this program is that if you go through this one-on-one coaching, you'll be able to achieve a stronger financial performance of your company, because above all, performance is always related with the financial numbers. Secondly, you'll be able to raise productivity not only for yourself and for your people, but for the entire organization, thereby reducing the cost. You can engage your team in the process improvement and thereby improving the self staff satisfaction. You can increase the capacity to manage the change. Change management, as you all know, is extremely important aspect, and how the organization can adjust with the change management. This is what is going to be the benefit of this program. We'll also try to teach you how the decision making happens and how you can improve decision making capabilities. We'll also talk about increasing of understanding of your customer. Who is your real customer? Who is the customer whom you should be focusing more? Define your customer, define your targeted market, and we'll also talk about yourself and your self-esteem, and we'll be able to increase confidence and self-esteem, and definitely the recognition and praise for your team, and finally develop an analytical thinking to improve decision making capability. So these are the real benefits of this program, and the learning objective of this particular business excellence program is that, friends, Winning in the age of hyper competition requirement, excellence is all the areas of business. And this program provides leading edge knowledge and landmark ideas to continuously challenge status quo and innovate new product and services. We are going to learn the new way of managing business. This program is going to show you a systematic approach for achieving quantum jump in business, performance, and sustainable competitive advantage. The content of the program is we'll be able to establish a philosophy of business excellence in your organization, how you should be inculcating business excellence in your organization. We'll also talk about understanding and living universal principle for individual and organization. So we'll talk about the fish principle, the value adding change, that means the value stream in your organization, benefits of systematic thinking, self-assessment process, identifying the enterprise's strength, weaknesses, opportunities for improvement, prioritizing opportunities for improvement, understanding the improvement cycle and its role in the business excellence, understanding the current state of your organization, and thereby taking a proper right strategy. Root cause analysis, how does it work and what are the benefits? We'll try to take a case study of your organization and we'll try to understand the root cause and how we can improve the efficiency of overall organization. Process benchmarking, what can we learn from other organization? And then we will be continuing an excellent methodology called APR, Activity Planning and Review, and the importance of investing your own people, that is the training, is very important aspect. And obviously we'll talk about the continuous improvement, and above all we'll try to explain you what is leadership all about, so that tomorrow you will be able to take your organization to the next level with your leadership capabilities. Now this program is basically 4 weeks. It's a 8 session of 2 hours each, online, as I said it, individual session on real-time basis. And this is going to be one-on-one coaching, so there will not be set of the people, because you might have your own privacy in terms of discussing your company's objective. So I have decided to give one-on-one coaching. We'll have discussions, we'll have assessment questionnaire, we will be doing some psychometric test as well. And I'm also going to share a lot of the case studies in terms of the management, movies, films, and I'll be going to share the course material. And then after that, there will be a 3 months hand holding. So any issue you will face within the 3 months after the completion of program, I'll be available at any point of time with free of cost. And who can attend? I think managers, senior management, top management, CEOs, vice president, functional heads, corporate professional, startup owner, entrepreneur, business owner, and also our women entrepreneurs. Friends, if you enroll for this program, I'm giving you a guarantee that after the 2 sessions, if you think that it is this particular course or a coaching is not going to benefit at all, I'm going to return 100% money back. So there's a 100% money back guarantee. But if you will continue, I am going to share my 4 best-selling book. Number 1 book is How to Grow Your Business and Increase Profitability, where we are going to talk about the business overall and how you can increase the profitability of your organization. The second book is High Impact Selling. As I always say, that sales is not the only job of sales team. I think entire organization does the business development. So everybody understand at least how to sell. Then we are also going to talk about First Time Manager. That this book is the tip for young managers. And finally, there's another, my best-selling book is The Business Sutra, From Gita to Harvard, where I have tried to take the best practices of Gita in terms of the management and the best practices of the Western world available. So all these books are going to be an added advantage to you apart from the course material. So if you are interested, either you can send me a WhatsApp, the number is given here, or you can go to my website and fix a 30 to 40 minutes free appointment with me. Please call me, please talk to me. I will explain you once again what this program all about, and only if you are convinced, then you can enroll for this program. Thank you very much.